Hello everyone. Today's episode will keep you on the edge of your seat. Imagine the performance of a stock that depends on the outcome of an octagon fight. A mega event that will break records, skyrocket stocks, huge revenue fight money, and have enormous effects on the other stocks related to Meta and the billionaire's cage fight. First, we discuss Meta stock performance and another stock that will benefit if Elon and Mark fight in the cage. What's that stock? This will be wild, guys, so watch it until the end. The first punch came from Zuckerberg. Threads, a Twitter competitor or a Twitter copycat? Comment down below, guys. So, what is Threads, and why is it causing so much drama between the two tech billionaires? Well, Threads is a new app that Meta launched on July 5th, 2023. It's a text-based social media app tied to Instagram and has already attracted more than 70 million signups in its first week. Threads allow users to share updates and participate in conversations with their followers or the public. It also has features like voice notes, polls, stickers, and emojis. Sounds familiar? That's because Threads is a clone of Twitter, which Elon Musk owns. Musk was not happy about Meta's move to copy his platform. He accused Meta of stealing trade secrets and other intellectual property from Twitter and threatened to sue them. He also posted a message on his Twitter account that he was up for a cage match with Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg seemingly accepted the challenge in an Instagram story, where he posted a screenshot of Musk's tweet with the caption, "Send me location." Musk then replied with Vegas Octagon, referring to the competition mat and fenced-in area used for UFC bouts. You might wonder if this fight is real or just a joke. Well, it's hard to tell with these two. Musk is known for his constant Twitter trolling and his eccentric personality. He also tweeted that he has a great move called the Walrus, where he just lies on top of his opponent and does nothing. He also said that he rarely works out, except for picking up his kids and throwing them in the air. On the other hand, Zuckerberg has been trying to look edgier and cooler in recent years. He has been training in jiu-jitsu and has won medals in tournaments. He also posted photos of himself surfing, hunting, and riding horses. Some sources say that the fight is not expected to be to the death, but rather a publicity stunt or a friendly challenge. Some experts say that Zuckerberg has an 83% chance of winning the fight based on his jiu-jitsu training and experience. Others say that the fight will never happen or that both men have an equal chance of winning. The fight is rumored to occur in October 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. UFC President Dana White is said to mediate between the two and has suggested that the proceeds go to charity. So how much money could this fight generate? According to some estimates, the pay-per-view price for this event would be $100, and it could bring in over $1 billion in revenue. That would make it one of the biggest fights ever in the history of the world, surpassing even the Mayweather vs. McGregor boxing match in 2017, which generated $600 million. Of course, these numbers are hypothetical and depend on many factors, such as the demand for the fight, the marketing strategy, and the distribution deals. So, how does this affect Meta stock? Meta stock has been on a roller coaster ride in the past month as the company launched Threads and faced legal threats from Musk. Meta stock reached its highest point of the month on July 12, 2023, closing at $309.34 after analysts upgraded their outlook for the company and praised its potential to penetrate the text-based social media space. Meta stock also had its lowest point of the month on June 26, 2023, closing at $278.47 after Musk accused the company of stealing trade secrets and threatened to sue them. Meta stock had its highest volume of the month on June 23, 2023, with 50,988,400 shares traded as the company announced the launch of Threads and sparked a frenzy of interest among investors and users. Meta stock had its lowest volume of the month on July 3, 2023, with only 8,629,300 shares traded as the market was closed for Independence Day in the US, and many investors took a break from trading. Meta stock had its biggest one-day gain of the month on June 15, 2023, rising by $9.53 or 3.5% as the company reported solid earnings for the second quarter and beat analysts' expectations. Meta stock had its most significant one-day loss of the month on June 7, 2023, falling by $8.07 or 2.96% as the company faced regulatory hurdles in Europe and delayed the launch of Threads in that region. Meta's stock price has also shown a robust technical performance, trading above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, both trending upward. The 50-day moving average is a key support level for the stock, while the $300 level is a significant resistance level that could challenge further upside. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, of Meta stock indicates a bullish momentum, although it has recently dipped from the overbought territory, suggesting a temporary pause in the buying pressure. Meta's earnings outlook for 2023 is not very optimistic, with an expected EPS of $8.08 and a downward trend. The estimates could continue to decline due to the slowdown in the advertising industry and the heavy spending on metaverse projects by Meta platforms. These factors could weigh on Meta's share price in the future. Meta's shares are currently trading at a PE ratio of 12.4x based on the forecasted EPS of $8.08, but this does not reflect the risks involved in Meta's business. A more reasonable PE ratio for Meta would be 8-9x, which would imply a price range of $66 to $72 to account for these risks. This price range is almost 35% lower than Meta's current share price. At this level, Meta would be truly undervalued, and the risk of any further decline in the advertising market would be fully priced in. Meta stock has been volatile and unpredictable in the past month, as the company faced both opportunities and challenges in its quest to dominate the social media landscape. Investors should be prepared for more ups and downs as Meta competes with Twitter and other rivals in the future. Meta has a lot of potential to grow its user base and revenue with Threads and its other products like Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, and the Metaverse. I think Meta is a leader in innovation and has a strong vision for the future of social media and technology. Meta has a loyal and engaged community of users who are willing to try new things and share their lives online. Based on these factors, I have a bullish outlook for Meta stock in the long term. Here are price targets for Meta stock for 2023, 2025, and 2027. For 2023, I have a price target of $350, which is a 13% increase from the current price of $309.34. For 2025, I have a price target of $500, which is a 62% increase from the current price of $309.34. For 2027, I have a price target of $700, which is a 126% increase from the current price of $309.34. These are our personal opinions and not financial advice. You should do your own research and due diligence before investing in any stock. One company that could benefit if Elon and Mark will fight is DraftKings with ticker code DKNG, which is one of the leading online sports betting platforms in the US. DraftKings offers odds and wagers on various sports events, including MMA fights. If Musk versus Zuckerberg becomes a reality, DraftKings could see a surge in user activity and revenue from people who want to bet on the outcome of this epic battle. DraftKings stock has been performing well lately, reaching its highest point of $28.86 on July 10, 2023, after analysts upgraded their outlook for the company and praised its potential to penetrate the text-based social media space. DraftKings stock also had its lowest point of $10.69 on June 26, 2023, after Musk accused Meta of stealing trade secrets and threatened to sue them. DraftKings reported revenue of $769.65 million for Q1 2023, an increase of 84.48% year-over-year. However, the company also reported a net loss of $397.15 million, or 51 cents per share, for the same period. The company attributed the loss to higher operating expenses and increased marketing costs. DraftKings has a market cap of $13.33 billion and a forward price-to-earnings ratio of -12.11. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about Meta stock and the cage fight between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. Do you think it will happen? Who do you think will win? And what are your price targets for Meta stock? I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the following video. Click this video right here and enjoy. See you there.